Hi friends, and welcome back to Stay Fresh with Peanut Fragrance Company. Today we are excited. We are going to be showing you how to make the double layer baked freshie method. And here we go. This mold was made by ABC Freshie Molds. Now I'm going to take my favorite pigment or mica. This one I'm using gingerbread. I am applying my mica generously all over my mold. You can use your finger if you don't have a brush, no worries, but a brush is best so that you can make sure you get in all to the cracks and corners. Afterward, I start pouring the aroma beads into my mold to determine the precise amount without wasting. Next, I pour the aroma beads into my bag and I add 3 tiny scoops of pigment. Exercise caution, as adding too much can result in underbaked beads. In the event you add too much, you can fix the situation by adding more beads, allowing the pigment to disperse among the others and distribute evenly. Now give a bag a thorough and vigorous shake, ensuring the beads and pigment mix together. Once the first layer is in place, you can proceed to bake in the oven. I baked in my oven at 285 degrees for 15 minutes. As soon as it's ready, I delicately use my silicone brush to lightly press the beads. In the event that you don't have a silicone brush, you can use a damp paper towel. It can serve as an alternative. Gently use the damp paper towel and press the beads with the same light touch. After I'm done, I proceed to fill the mold to the brim with the remaining aroma beads. I then place it back in the oven and bake at 285 degrees for another 15 minutes. Now, after it's done, I take a moment to give the beads a last gentle press using the silicone brush. To allow for proper cooling and setting, I patiently let it rest for 15 minutes before carefully demolding the finished car freshie. Now it's time for the most exciting part, which is the demolding. As I carefully release the mold, I am delighted to see the aroma beads have baked flawlessly, displaying a texture that showcases the beads evenly baked on all sides, with the bead bumps still on the top. That is indicating a successful double-layered baked car freshie. Now we enter into the decorating with new supplies we acquired from our recent adventures at Tumblr Ovation. Let the transformation begin. Next, working diligently, I'm going to utilize the Shimmer Crystal Paste as a glitter adhesive with Nikki's secret sauce shade called Playing in Dirt. I generously apply the paste, ensuring it covers the surface of my freshie. I want to sprinkle the glitter, removing any excess, and then repeating this step consistently until the entire freshie sparkles. I allow my glitter to dry for 10 minutes and then I brush off the excess glitter before moving on to the next color. The decorating stage is the most rewarding. Each sprinkle of glitter contributes to your personalized custom car freshie. Now, I prefer using the 1/8 drill bit to create a hole through which I thread a leather suede string, adding the final touch to my finished custom car freshie that is now ready to be hanged. Ta-da! We're all done. Now, if you found this tutorial informative and you enjoyed it, please show your appreciation by hitting the thumbs up, like button, comment, and subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting projects in the future. Until next time, take care and #LiveLikePeanut.